All right, trying to get into the third room of Abduction. So we revealed this keypad here, and we're trying to get this, obviously a door over here open. And we remember in the second room we had unlocked something that had those same colors that are on the keypad. So we're gonna remember red, green, blue, white. Not a very difficult puzzle, good one for the kids to do. And we'll get back in here to the keypad. Red, green, blue, white. So that's what we're gonna punch in. Uh-oh. Oh, I guess didn't go in right. Let me try that again. Red, green, blue, white. There we go. Perfect. So that door slides open just like Star Trek. Very nice. And we're into the third room of Abduction. So as we get in here, we notice these strange things on the wall here. Okay, it's got some symbols. The symbol looks familiar. The triangle looks familiar. It's got this on the wall. There's a piece here. Some kind of three-dimensional pyramid. There's a box there that's obviously going to open. You know, you try it. Oh, it's not open yet, obviously. Got some symbols on it. Ooh, this. So there's another one of those. If you remember, we had one of those in the second room. This is a strange piece. And we've got this over here. It's got some those crop circle numbers on it. It's got slots in it with lines going along the slots. Those are actually like cut into it. And this giant pyramid there, or diamond, and some ceiling features. Interesting. And then this. Oh, we get in here. We've got a friend here. The pièce de résistance, right here, alien. In what looks like a cryo chamber. Got some tubes on the top. Set into the corner there. It's got symbols there. And what looks like levers, and they're actually like sliders that move up and down. So you can set them at different levels. Some kind of ship schematic there. And then there is what looks like a strange light there pointing down. There's also a laser going along the edge of the top of the room. It's kind of cool, goes all the way around. And that was the sliding door that opened. So it opened all the way. It's got like a mechanism there for the sliding door. Pretty cool. Alright, so we've got a couple puzzles to do at once. There's this here. This is actually, when you take it apart, you realize that it's different pieces. I can build a pyramid. And the players are going to look around and they're going to collect more of those pieces. They see two here, two small black ones. Alright, and I think there was one more over here. Yeah, that looks like the top. It's a small piece. So players can be doing this while the other players are trying to do the other puzzle. So the first thing you're going to realize is that you can build a pyramid. See that? It sets into there. There you go. People might remember it's actually built out of an old kid's toy. Look at that. So you can build a pyramid and you can line up these symbols. And on the other side, when you turn it around, there's lines. And that's definitely related to this. So this is kind of your instructions. Players have to figure out what this means. And we didn't use any English in the room, as you probably noticed already. It's just alien symbols, so it can be difficult to figure out what they're trying to say. But when you correlate this, obviously I'm trying to build a pyramid. Obviously I want to get some things right. And then there's these. 6. There's 6 in there. There's 3 in there. And there's 1 in there. So looking at this, you might have already guessed. It's trying to tell you the aliens' numerology, how, like their symbols for numbers. So each one of those lines means a 1. That's what that means. A white triangle means 3. And a black triangle means 6. So these aliens are base 3. They use 3 as their numbers. So they think in 1s, 3s, and 6s. Alright, so we know that now. And then we look here, well maybe this is trying to tell me that I need 6 plus 6, because it's 2 black triangles, right? Plus 3, and 2 more, because those are each 1. So that totals 17. So, ooh, maybe I need to build my pyramid so that it also equals 17. So looking at the side with the symbols, I'm like, all right, I got to make 17 here. This is obviously too much. Like this one piece right here is 9 already. 9 plus 3 is 12, 13, 14. This is obviously way too much, right? But I'm close. Looks like I'm close. Now you realize that you can flip these over, right? Now if you remember, I had 3 plus 9 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, because that one's 3 on the top. Math might have been a bit fast there, but so that is the correct way to build that. Then when you turn it around, this is trying to tell you that you need to turn it around, and the other side is actually going to be a sequence of lines. And there's a little arrow there, if you see on the top of the pyramid, pointing down. So you're going from the top bottom. Okay, you see this is trying to indicate the first one, the last one, the last one, and the second last one. Okay, and what I mean by that is when you look over here, you've got lines. And it might be trying to tell me that I need to activate these in the right order, because when I put my hand on it, it makes a sound. And kids figure that out pretty fast because they usually start playing with it. Alright, so I need to activate this in the correct order. It's kind of like playing an instrument. So I'm going to do the first one first. And I'm going to do the last one twice. And then I'm going to do the second one. I heard a sound. Look over here. Oh, I didn't even realize there was a box under there. It popped open. And one of those things fell out. So that's pretty cool. It's like a little contraption built under this structure here. So that popped open. This fell out. A kind of cool space box. Looks pretty good. And we've got 3 of these now. So this is definitely a puzzle. I had one that was just lying over here. And I had one in the second room. So I've got 3 of these. And we're going to move on to the next puzzle.